Welcome. In today's video, I'll show exactly how to turn on notifications for when someone adds your photo to a post on Instagram using the PC app. This is part of a newer update, and the setting is a bit hidden if you don't know where to look. But don't worry, it's actually very simple once you follow these steps. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings without any issues. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see the three-line menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up the side menu. From there, find and click on Settings. This is where all your account preferences and controls are located. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notification section and click on it. This will take you to all the notification options you can customize. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you manage what alerts you receive in real time. Now scroll through the options until you find Add to Post. This setting controls whether you get notified when someone includes your photo in their post. Under Add to Post, simply choose on